Most people believe that failure comes from a lack of talent, money, or luck. But the most dangerous form of failure happens silently. It creeps into the lives of the most gifted people. Not because they aren't capable, but because they believe tomorrow will always fix what they refuse to do today. In a quiet coastal town lived Julian, a young carpenter known for his exceptional skill. Give him a piece of raw timber and within hours he could shape it into a masterpiece. Others spent years learning the craft. For Julian, it came naturally. One autumn afternoon, an elderly man named Arthur walked into Julian's workshop. Arthur was a legendary master builder responsible for restoring the city's grand cathedral. He held in his hand a blueprint for a central display table. It was a project that could change someone's life with honor and financial stability. Arthur looked closely at Julian's previous work and nodded. "You have rare talent, son. I am giving you 7 days to complete this single piece. If it holds true, the contract is yours." Julian was thrilled. This was the moment he had been waiting for. For the first 4 days, Julian didn't touch the wood. He told himself he had plenty of time. On the 5th day, he began carving. On the 6th night, working under a dim lantern, he realized he had mismeasured a crucial joint. Fixing it properly meant dismantling the base and starting over, a process that would take hours of disciplined labor. Julian was exhausted. "No one will notice," he whispered to himself. Instead of rebuilding the joint, he filled the small gap with glue, sanded the surface smooth and painted over it. To the naked eye, it looked flawless. On the 7th morning, Arthur arrived. He ran his hand over the polished surface, admiring the intricate carvings. Julian smiled, feeling victory within reach. Then Arthur picked up a small brass hammer from his coat. He did not hit the top of the table. He leaned down and tapped lightly on the hidden joint underneath. The soft wood split instantly. The table wobbled. Julian's face flushed red. "I ran out of time," Julian stammered. "Give me 2 hours and I can fix it. My talent." Arthur held up a hand, stopping him gently. "I didn't come here to measure your talent, Julian. I already knew you were gifted. I came to measure your discipline." Arthur looked at Julian and said, "The real test isn't how perfect your work looks. The real test is whether it's strong enough to survive when life puts it under pressure." Julian stood alone in workshop, looking at the broken table. For the first time, he realized the true cost of his lack of discipline. It hadn't just cost him a contract, it had cost him his reputation. Talent can open the door, but only discipline keeps you in the room. Discipline weighs ounces, but regret weighs tons.